a bit windy today and cold. It's taking a little while to warm the shop up. We'll consume some wood today. They have chosen to brave the winds and cold. For a little journey on the old XRs. Have fun, guys. That's this place. And they're back. How was it? Cold? Eh? Good. Still a ride. That's the attitude.
Everyone's waiting for us.
Cool.
That goes to the house. The rest of this row to the shop. And this is all I have left for reserve. That's not a lot of wood. So I gotta get some wood really freaking soon. Yeah, it's not gonna go very far. So we're conserving and I'm trying to get the shop squared away as quick as possible. Because it's getting colder. It's cold today. It was 15 last night. 15 degrees Fahrenheit. Ooh. Bye now. Brr. Alright. There's a load of wood on the deck to go in the house. I'll stack it, you guys bring it in. I brought in some more for the shop to add to what you guys have brought in. And we have one row left in the woodshed. One row of wood left. Not a lot of wood. So we gotta get some wood. So we gotta get things done in here and get rolling along. Wood. Because winter is here. So congratulations on your first, well, winter's not really here, but winter-like weather is here. It's freezing, it's windy, and you went for a ride. Good for you.